Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about one thing you must be doing in order to create growth on your social media page. You have to learn how to analyze your page and see what's working and what's not working and do more of what's working. So I'm going to teach you how to audit your social media account in just 5 easy steps. Oh, and I want to make sure that you stay tuned to the end of this video because I will give you a link to where you can find my Instagram audit checklist and you can download it for free. So stay tuned so you can get that. If you're new to me, my name is Dr. Yazdan and I am a cosmetic dentist in Newport Beach, California. I have grown an Instagram page to over 100,000 followers and a Facebook page of over 80,000 followers, and I have used social media to build my business. For the past few years, I have been helping healthcare professionals do the same. And now it's your turn. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you never miss anything that I am teaching. So let's dive in. If you're anything like me, then throughout the year, you're probably trying a lot of different strategies on social media so that you can see what's working. This means that you probably have a variety of different kinds of posts and images on your feed, and some of them may be working for you while others are not doing so well. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Instagram specifically, but you can apply this to your other platforms as well. So from time to time, it's important to audit your Instagram feed. You have to see what's working, what's not working, and then do more of what's working. That probably sounds really obvious to you, but yes, do more of what's working. So let's talk about how to properly audit your Instagram feed so that you can make your social media marketing efforts more effective. Now, there are so many ways that you can go about auditing your feed, but I want to keep things really simple for you. So I'm going to teach you how to do this in just 5 steps. So step number 1 is to get clear on your new strategy. Before you can audit your old posts and strategy, you have to be clear on what your new strategy is. You have to know where you're actually headed before you can figure out which of your old pieces of content don't fit with that new direction. So take some time to sit down and write out what your strategy is. What do you want to be focusing on more? What type of content do you want to be showing to your audience? And are you focusing on photos still, or will you be focusing more on videos? Even if you're keeping a lot of the same things you're currently doing, write out how you can improve those this year to grow even more. Step 2 is going to be to get clear on what your new feed will look like. Now that you're more clear on your new strategy, it's time to get clear on what your new feed will actually look like. So you need to have a visual representation of ideally what your feed will look like on Instagram. If you're stuck and you can't figure it out, go to some of your favorite Instagram accounts, screenshot some of their posts that you like, and then build a feed that would fit with your new description. So keep in mind, this isn't just about the visuals. Remember that images are only a portion of what you need to focus on. The content matters so much more. But you can get a sense of the style that you like. Do you like brighter, cleaner images? Do you like moodier photos? Do you like darker photos? What photos and videos are you liking? So you can kind of get a sense of what you want to create for your own feed. Step 3 is going to be to analyze and review your analytics. Now, you want to take time to look through your Instagram analytics and see which posts perform the best for you, what times work the best, what days work the best, etc. And building your posting strategy off of this. So if you don't have an Instagram business account, you can use an app like Planoly to help you. I have a video on Planoly and I will link to my Planoly video in the description below. It's a really great tutorial of how to use Planoly, and I kind of go over the analytics in there as well, but you can use other third-party apps to kind of review your analytics. Another thing that you can do, so simple, you could just look at every photo or video you posted and see how many likes there are, how many saves there are, and how many comments there are. You'll know by the engagement that you have whether that's a good post or not. Again, there is so much data available to you that it makes no sense to go about building your new plan and conducting your audit blindly. Actually do the work though so that you can see results. See what photos and videos and what content content got the most engagement, the most likes, the most amount of saves, and create more of that. That's how you're gonna make your account more successful. Step 4 is to remove the posts that don't fit anymore. So now that you've reviewed everything and have data to go on, it's time to start removing the posts and the content that don't really fit with your new direction. On Instagram, there's a feature that you can use to archive your posts so that they don't actually show up on your feed anymore, but they don't get deleted completely. I recommend doing this instead of just deleting it so that you don't lose any of that great data that's available to you. Plus, you never know when you will want to repurpose or update one of those pieces of content. So I like to just archive my older posts if I feel that they don't fit anymore. The 5th and final step of this Instagram audit is to update the posts that you're keeping. So I think that it's a great idea to update and audit your content on existing posts as you would any other important piece of content. This is important because most of the time when somebody finds you, they're going to binge go through your content, and you want to make sure that it's all up to date and ready for them to see exactly what you do and who you are and who you're meant to help. So go through the content and update some of the posts that need updating. That wasn't too bad, right? We're pretty much all done. So there you have it, a simple 5-step plan to audit your Instagram feed. Now, you don't have to knock all of these out in one day if you don't have the time. So just take your time to go through the process and get your Instagram feed up to par as you go. As you start to do this, you'll see how simple it is, and it doesn't actually require too much of your time. I can't wait to see what results you come up with and the new direction that you decide to go. I'd actually love it if you would leave a comment below and let me know what direction you're moving into and how this video was helpful for you. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will be happy to get back to you and help you any way that I can. And now, since you have stuck around to the end, I want you to click on the link just below this video in the description and download the Instagram audit checklist that will walk you through step by step to get your Instagram feed ready for the new year. So it's free to download and it's really easy to use. So make sure that you do it. Also, I'd love if you would like this video and share it with a fellow healthcare professional. Make sure to download that checklist, get to work, and I will see you in the next video.